Sorry, it's going right down my throat, that is. Shall I scooch? I don't know what's going on. Ooh. Oh, I just got that all over my face, didn't I? Didn't I? Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Lush Kitchen December box. This is a subscription box. You can get it every month. It's £35. And you basically get, it's either like retro products that are discontinued, one-of-a-kind products, stuff like that, which is really exciting. You get it delivered to your door every month. How exciting. Love it, love it. This is my first time getting the kitchen box. I've subscribed to the Fresh and Flowers box as well, and I've done one unboxing of that, and I've got another one due this month too, which is really exciting. But yeah, I'm here to show you this. So this is the box it comes in. This month's is, I think it's a galactic theme is what it's called, but we'll see more when we look inside. But it says Lush Kitchen all over the delivery box, which is cute. Looks really adorable. Sorry, do excuse if I lose my voice. I do actually currently have quite painful tonsillitis. I've been in bed for like a whole day, and this is the first time I've pretty much got out of bed. I didn't realise tonsillitis made you like have a fever and hot and cold sweats and stuff. It's really quite unpleasant, you know. But yeah, if my voice goes a bit funny or manly at any point, then that's why. But here we go, we're in. So you open it up, looks like this. Yeah, it's freshest in the universe. So open it up like that. Scooch, shall I scooch? How cute is this? So you've got your little cards on the top. So it says that smells amazing. An out of this world experience. Buckle up for an intergalactic ride through refreshing realms of citrus and herbal revelry. Celebrate the holidays in true Lush style with the freshest products on this planet has to offer. Superstars full of fresh fruits, moisturising butters and the finest essential oils. And then you've got a little QR code here that you can scan, and I assume it takes you to all the info about the products. Oh, look at the back of this. How adorable is that? That's bright and cute. I like that. And then you have, you have a little product information card here, and some other little bits of information on the front there, which is exciting. Let's get in. Sorry, that was a really unpleasant face. I was like, let's get into it, shall we? So, oh, that's cute. I can put it on my pillow. I've sort of changed where I'm sitting because my bedroom's a bit of a mess because I've been ill. So I've just sort of made the bed and we'll sit here, shall we? Out of the way of the mess. So the first thing you get on top is a tote bag by the looks of it. Yes, it is. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? So it says out of this world on it, Lush Kitchen, and then it's got a little cute pattern. Pretty big actually. That would be good for like shopping. I might take that shopping. I'm so useless with bags with shopping, so I need to like start getting a bit better at that. Cute little tote bag. Love it, love it. I'm sorry if this video is like weird quality. I don't really know what's going on with this ring light. It's saying more light required, but it's really bright on my face. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna crack on. Next thing, so you've got your box with your little packing beads, and I'll just grab a thing out, shall I? And then we'll, ooh, I just got that all over my face, didn't I? Didn't I? So I've got a bath bomb. This is the Jingle Spells bath bomb. Each month as well, you can vote for the products that you would rather see the most in the box. After I've shown you them, I'll tell you what I voted for. So this is a bath bomb. It's got like quite a citrusy scent, I would say. You've got citric acid in there, juniper oil, tangerine oil, fennel oil, ylang ylang. You've got a lot of lovely stuff in there. And it is giving off the citrusy vibes. It's quite strong in a way, but it's also quite mild. I don't know. It's a bit of an odd one. Definitely citrusy, but it's huge. They always just make the bath bombs. I don't usually go for bath bombs because I like a bubble bar because you can get multiple uses out of them. But this is, yeah, it's big and cute. Excited for that. So yeah, Jingle Spells. Sorry, it's going right down my throat, that is. Jingle Spells bath bomb. Exciting, exciting. Next thing, I think people were really excited for this, but I've never actually tried it. This is the Space Girl perfume. Comes in a little black tube. It's a cardboard box, Charlie. It's not a fucking tube, is it? Jesus Christ. You can tell I'm like sleep deprived, ill, all of the above. Comes in a little one of these jobbies. Don't know, dispenser, a glass thing. Don't know. Ooh, interesting. Let's give it a whiff. Oh my goodness, I can see why people like that. Jeez Louise. Oh my god, that's like pure fruity tropical explosion-y. Yes, you've got like lemonine, grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, almond oil, citral, granola. You've got loads of, oh my goodness. I've smelt this before as well. Is it the soap that you get in here? Definitely used something that smells like this from Lush before, and that is to die for. I thought this was just overhyped online, but no, I can see why people like that. If I can buy more of this, I probably will. Next thing is, this is the thing I'm most excited for. My eyes look so evil then. This is the thing I've been most excited for, because I've seen a few unboxings already, because some people have gotten their boxes a bit early. This is the Intergalactic Kitchen Exclusive Body Scrub. So this is an exclusive product that they've made, which is really exciting. Oh my god, just look at it. Are you ready? Oh my god. It just reminds me of, like, you know, when you'd go to like the pier or like a fun fair when you were young, and you'd have like candy floss and it would just be like this, and it would make you batshit crazy, but your parents would buy it you anyway. Ooh. Interesting scent. It's a smidge on the manly side, but look at that. The scent is manly, like, I don't know. Let's go in there, shall we? Ooh, it's firm. Here we go. She's really firm. Ooh, okay. Interesting. I don't actually, well, I do have some water there, but we're not gonna. Let's give it a smush, shall we? Oh no, okay. It's like got like a mintiness to it as well, but it's also got like a herbally, citrusy freshness as well. So what do we have in here? So we've got mango butter, peppermint oil, grapefruit, sorry, I've got my glass on, I can't see. Vetiver oil, not heard of that. Cedarwood oil. Might be the cedarwood giving it a bit of a herbally scent, but no, I think I can get on board with that. I think I can. I'm just gonna roll that back up and put it back in there. We don't waste in this house. Put that back in there for later. But like, how exciting is that? Just like, look at it. It even looks fun to play with, I'm not gonna lie. And it's a huge tub as well, which I love. Next thing is a soap, which I'm excited for as well. Ooh, delicious. This is fruit punch soap. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. Oh, I've still got a bit of that on my hand, do excuse. Smells delish. Smells quite a lot like the perfume. I don't know if they're meant to be the same scent. They might be. There's quite a few things in Lush that are like the same scents. So you've got some coconut oil, juniper berry oil, lime oil, juniper berries, citrus, the lemonine, citronellol. A lot of good stuff in there. Again, all very fruity. Does smell delicious. It's a very tropically / orangey, I'd say, scent. I like that a lot. I love anything fruity. I'm more of like a sweet fragrance gal, like creamy candy, that thing, or like a real fruity one. That's delish, love it. Their soaps recently, I swear they never used to be like this, but they're amazing. Like they've got a like coating to them, but like an oil, like they feel like they're going to be so moisturizing. It's lovely. Last thing, I believe there's 5 things in here, and we've got 5 things and a bag. So this is the Celebrate body lotion. So this is Brazilian orange and zesty lime bring the party, while almond oil and cocoa butter soften the skin. Gorgeous, bloody gorgeous. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, that's nice. I have got a massage bar in this scent, I believe, over there, so we can double that up, which will be nice. This is thick. She thick. Ooh, she very thick. That is nice. That excites me because I have really dry hands recently from washing them so much due to the baby. So I love anything that I can double up and use as a hand cream. This smells gorgeous. Love it. What have we got in here? I'm going to put the lid on before I drop it because that seems like something I would totally do. So we have, you've got your almond oil, your cocoa butters, stearic acid, is that, what's that? I don't know. Brazilian orange oil, lime, I can definitely smell the lime in there. Orange flower absolute. Again, you've got that citronellol and citral. Guessing there's some sort of citral essential oil, which adds to the scent. But yeah, but now I smell back, I can definitely smell like a background of lime. Ooh, delicious, obsessed. That's all very exciting. Super happy with all of that. Just realised I didn't read you the lid of this one. That might have helped you realise what the scent is. So this one says, explore uncharted shower territory with a cosmic blend of grapefruit and peppermint oils. So that is probably a really good description of the mix there. It's very much a peppermint vibe with a hint of fruit, but I'm really excited to try all these. So excited. It's just going to be such a pamper night tonight, which I thought there was a spider on the wall and there's not. Which I think I need because I feel like poops my goops. So that's my first box from Lush Kitchen, and I have to say I'm very happy with it. What did I vote for when I voted? I voted for, because I wasn't sure, I've never tried any of this stuff before, so I was just sort of going off what I preferred, and I think I chose the lotion and the soap. Oh, and there was a bath bomb, a bubble bar on there that was like Santa's head or something. I picked that, but that didn't get picked to be put in the box, which is fine. Super duper happy with all of this. Really excited for next month's as well, because you get like sneak peeks, you can do votes, everyone does their hauls and you can see them and stuff. It's just all so exciting, I love it. If you're not already subscribed and you enjoyed the video and you want to subscribe, that would be fabuloso. You can do so below, and you can pop the notification bell on and you'll be alerted of when I do new videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.